Hi everyone! Today's video is going to be a little different. I promise we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming in the next video. But before we get started, I need to thank everyone who reached out to me after the last video. It really did help my mental state and to re-energize me to fight the fine fight. Today I want to tell you why I chose to sign the Recall Gavin 2020 petition and why I think that the salon industry can save California and maybe even the country. And yes, I'm going to read it because I really want to get my thoughts out properly. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I chose to sign the Recall Gavin 2020 petition. Number 1, Newsom is not a leader. True leaders do not need to use fear to intimidate the citizens into obeying. They lead by example and reasoning, so that the citizens understand why it is in their best interest to willfully follow the leader. A leader does not demand compliance. Compliance is freely given out of respect. A leader instills confidence in followers, not fear. Governor Newsom is a bully and uses threats to get the citizens to comply with his unconstitutional mandates. He is not a leader. He is a dictator. Number 2, Newsom is a hypocrite. While his mandates require that the citizens of California not be with any members outside of their household, or go to dinner, or visit a salon, he is hubrisly attending birthday parties at upscale restaurants. And his Auntie Pelosi is getting her hair done, violating the mandates they put forth, yet destroying the salon owner's life and forcing the salon closed. While our children are not allowed to attend school, his children are able to attend their private school. Then he lies and gives a BS explanation and apology, fully knowing there are no repercussions for his actions. Unlike the citizens he demands compliance of, who face charges, jail time, fines, and license revocation, which would destroy their lives. If this doesn't reek of an Antoinette situation, I don't know what does. This man is a hypocrite of the highest evil. A true hypocrite that cannot be reasoned with because he cannot see his own double standard. Number 3, Newsom has mismanaged this state. Even before COVID, California had a major mismanagement problem. Between rampant wildfires, homelessness like no other state, out-of-control rents, a poor school system, and roads that resemble a third world's, despite paying the highest taxes in the union, most Californians questioned whether they have a future in the state. Now, we put COVID on top of all of this and a third lockdown. If the first 2 lockdowns did not help, why is a third going to? This leads me to the conclusion that either Newsom does not know what he's doing, or there is a nefarious reason behind the lockdowns. Regardless, I do not know anyone whose lives are better since he became governor. In fact, most people I know, including myself, aren't even baselining. Our cost of living goes up while our income stays the same and our taxes go higher. The mismanagement, for whatever reasons, are affecting our daily lives, and we have no choice but to flee, if we can afford it, or stay and fight. These are just my top 3 reasons why I signed the Recall Gavin 2020 petition. If you resonate with even one of these reasons, you need to sign the petition too. It's very easy and only takes a few minutes. Go to recallgavin2020.com for instructions, and if you need help, reach out to me. We are over halfway to the amount of signatures that we need. There are around 800,000 licensees of the beauty industry in California. If we all sign, we will have the signatures we need to remove him from office. There are rumors that this man may run for president someday. Can you imagine the devastation? We can't let that happen. If he is recalled, he won't be able to. We have until March to get the rest of the signatures, so please don't wait. So you have to go to recallgavin2020.com. That is the petition that has the most traction. If we split it up between other ones, it's not going to work. So this is what the website looks like. Okay. Go to that site and print out the petition. You have to physically print it out and send it in, okay? And there's room for additional signatures if anyone that you know wants to sign it. So read all the instructions on the site. If you have any questions, you can also reach out to me. I actually know a little bit about this. I'm in touch with people who are in touch with the people running the petition. Okay, I'm done. We can move on. If you liked this video and it resonated with you, please give it a like so that I know. Also, subscribe and hit the notifications bell to stay updated on what's happening with this. All right, thank you again.